In this video, we will discuss manage, time management, clock in out employee, reports related to clock in out by employee data. Firstly, we will go to clock in out status menu. In this menu, you can view the clock in out data entered in clock in out record menu in a list form. By each date, you can verify the clock in and out time of the employees who worked on the date and the length of work hours of each employee. You can also click on each field title to sort the data by each field. Also, if you click search at the top right, you can set various search conditions and filter data. You can select a particular employee and department and view the clock in out data of all the employees that belong to the selected department. And also, if you specified desk job or outside duty type when entering each clock in out data, you can separately view them by using the search template type field. And you can also add columns to the displayed template by clicking Option, Template Setup, New Template button. After generating a new template, you can select the newly generated template at the search template bottom left. So here I have set up a new template by Template Setup. And in Template Setup, you can also customize fields from Customize 1 to Customize 5 to set up a formula. And I have set up a field named Late for Time on the right side. So, according to this formula, if the clock in time is later than 8:40, the field will calculate how late it is and display data. So in this way, you can edit each column, so please note. And next, we will move on to Tardiness menu. In Tardiness menu, you can view the tardiness status of your employees based on a particular time period. And in order to use Tardiness status report, you need to first set your company's working hours, general working hours, and then set the working hours of each employee code. And the two-step setting will be useful if the working hours differ for each employee and if the criteria of tardiness differ. In User Customization, Configuration, Function Setup, Manage tab, you can find Working Time Settings, where you can set your company's general working hours. Then, in Manage, Payroll, Setup, Register Employee menu, you can click on each employee code and go to Employee Info tab. And in Work Hours field, click Setup to assign the corresponding working time code to the employee code and set the point of application. After completing the two-step settings, based on the working hours set for each employee code, if the clock in time entered in the program is later than the working hours set for the corresponding employee code, it will be displayed in tardiness status. And also, the clock-in data entered for holidays will be shaded in red. You can separately view holidays data from weekdays data by clicking Search at the top right and searching by each type. Lastly, we will discuss clock-in-out time attendance status menu. In this report, based on employee codes, you can compare clock-in-out status with time attendance status entered in Manage, Time Management, Record Time menu in a single screen at a glance. After clicking Search button, by each employee you can view the clock-in-out records, work time, time attendance history, and remarks for each time history. And you can also use the search template in the same way. Search by a particular employee, department, desk job outside duty type, and time attendance type, particular time code, paid leave code, and so forth. And please note that in all the reports mentioned in this video, you can print the report out or export it in Excel or PDF.